Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use focus sessions and do not disturb mode on your HP Spectre x360. To do that, we have to open the start menu and then open the clock application. Wait for an update if it's installing, and once the clock is updated, you have to open the first tab on the sidebar, and this is the focus tab. So here, as you can see, we have to set the amount of time we'll need for performing a task that we're planning. We can also have breaks which will be automatically assigned. If you want to skip breaks, you can hit this checkbox. You can also integrate with Spotify by installing it first of all, and add some tasks so you can remind yourself what you're planning to do. So for example, let's add a task, and then let's start a focus session. And during the focus session, the do not disturb will be enabled automatically, and we'll be able to focus on our tasks without being distracted from anywhere outside the programs that we need to use. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.